Hello, I'm Leah from Lyftron, and in today's topic, I will talk about why data-driven enterprises don't need traditional ETL, ELT platforms anymore, and how important is data to your enterprise. Here's how. The critical core of data management is rapidly evolving because the speed and volume of data is growing faster than current technology can keep up with. Modern enterprises demand solutions that are highly flexible and agile in nature, but enterprises are struggling to meet their SLAs with obsolete ETL, ELT, and EDW legacy platforms. These legacy platforms are bottlenecks due to errors, complexity, cost, and inconsistency. Modern enterprises require modern-day solutions to accelerate their data management journey by leveraging the full potential of their data for valuable experiences and to create new data-driven opportunities. Introducing Lyftron, your agile data delivery platform that enables enterprises to eliminate legacy platform bottlenecks with cutting-edge automatic columnar data pipeline and logical data warehousing. Lyftron eliminates the time spent by engineers building data pipelines manually and make data instantly accessible to analysts by providing real-time access to all your data with simple ANSI SQL and automatically delivered data to warehouses in normalized, ready-to-query schemas without worry about structure or schema parsing. This is why 21st century enterprises trust Lyftron to streamline their big data risks, process IoT data for valuable experiences, and create new data-driven opportunities. Why wait any longer for better outcomes and time to value? Request your no-obligation free 1-month trial today. Contact us at hello@lyftron.com or 855-LYFTRON. Lyftron lives it. Hello, I'm Leah from Lyftron, and in today's topic, I will talk about why data-driven enterprises don't need traditional ETL, ELT platforms anymore, and how important is data to your